When people hear the words luxury motorhome, most immediately picture something that costs $250,000, $400,000, or maybe even $500,000. Big, shiny rigs with endless gadgets and high-end finishes, the kind of motorhomes that feel more like a hotel suite on wheels than a vehicle. But today, I'm about to show you something different. Something that proves you don't need a massive budget to experience comfort, style, and luxury on the road. Right here in front of us is a motorhome that offers a full bathroom, a private bedroom, a complete kitchen and living space that feels more like a high-end apartment than a vehicle. And the best part? This motorhome costs under $100,000. Yes, you heard that right, under $100,000. Let's step inside and see what makes this motorhome such an incredible value. From the moment you approach, you notice the quality details that set this rig apart. The entry door feels solid and well built, with wide, sturdy steps and a grab handle that gives you a sense of confidence and safety as you step inside. Many motorhomes at this price point skimp on these small touches, but this one immediately gives you a premium feel. Walking in, you're greeted with a surprisingly open and inviting layout. The space is bright, thanks to large windows and thoughtful lighting, and it doesn't feel cramped the way some budget motorhomes often do. Right away, you can tell that a lot of attention went into making this interior feel luxurious without blowing the budget. Starting with the living area, you'll notice a large, comfortable sofa positioned to make the most of the space. This isn't just a place to sit, it doubles as an additional sleeping area for guests or children. The cushioning is plush and supportive, a stark contrast to the stiff, uncomfortable furniture you sometimes find in budget motorhomes. The windows around the living area bring in natural light, while the day and night shades give you full control over privacy and brightness. Across from the sofa is a versatile dinette, which serves multiple purposes. It's perfect for meals, work, or planning your next road trip. And like the sofa, it can convert into a bed, making this motorhome flexible enough to accommodate a small family or extra guests. Overhead cabinets provide additional storage with solid doors and quality finishes that make it easy to store items without worrying about them shifting during travel. Next, let's take a closer look at the entertainment setup. The motorhome comes with a large flat-screen TV positioned so you can watch comfortably from both the sofa and the dinette. Beneath it, there is additional storage for media devices or personal items. Many motorhomes under $100,000 cut corners on entertainment, but this one gives you a real living room experience, making downtime or movie nights a true pleasure. Now, moving into the kitchen, this is where the luxury feel really begins to stand out. The countertops are solid and spacious, far more durable than the thin plastic surfaces often found in budget RVs. There's ample cabinet space designed to handle full cookware rather than just camping essentials. The appliances include a 3-burner propane stove, a microwave, and a large RV refrigerator capable of running on electric or propane. This flexibility means you can keep your food cold and cook meals whether you're at a full hookup campground or completely off-grid. The deep stainless steel sink with a residential-style faucet makes cleaning dishes feel like a proper kitchen task rather than a chore. And there's generous counter space for meal prep, which is often one of the biggest challenges in smaller motorhomes. The bathroom is another feature that immediately signals luxury. Unlike many motorhomes under this price, this one offers a fully enclosed bathroom, not a wet bath where the toilet and shower share the same space. The shower is spacious, with a solid door and enough headroom to move comfortably. A proper RV toilet, vanity sink, mirror, and storage make the space functional and convenient for everyday use. Having a dedicated bathroom like this is rare in motorhomes under $100,000, making it a standout feature. At the rear, the bedroom is where the true comfort factor shines. A walk-around queen bed provides ample sleeping space, and wardrobes on either side, overhead cabinets, and underbed storage make it easy to pack for longer trips. The private bedroom has a door that closes, creating a quiet and private retreat, a feature often reserved for higher-end models. Beyond the living, kitchen, bathroom, and bedroom, this motorhome also includes several comfort and tech features. A roof AC unit ensures cool comfort on hot days, while a furnace keeps you warm during cold nights. An onboard water heater, generator prep, and multiple power and USB outlets mean you can camp at fully serviced parks or go off-grid with confidence. These are the details that turn a budget-friendly motorhome into a true luxury experience. Now, let's talk value. Motorhomes with layouts, finishes, and features like this one often sell for $130,000, $150,000, or more. But this model keeps the price under $100,000, offering incredible access to comfort, style, and convenience without breaking the bank. It's an ideal choice for couples who want to travel in comfort, retirees exploring the country, families enjoying weekend getaways, or anyone considering part-time or full-time motorhome life. So, there you have it, a complete luxury motorhome tour under $100,000. From the spacious living area, versatile dinette and entertainment setup, to the fully equipped kitchen, private bathroom, and bedroom, this motorhome proves that you don't need a massive budget to enjoy life on the road in comfort and style. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more RV and motorhome content, and comment below. Would you consider living in a motorhome like this? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tour, which might just surprise you even more.